Hey guys, Sylvie here and welcome all to my Traffic Supernova review, the newest launch from Dave Espino, and let me remind myself of the other guy's name, Shane Nathan. He's actually the general director of Warrior Plus, right, at Warrior Plus. Okay, so guys, I'll show you the product, and as always you have my written review right below in the description box. Okay, so this is Nathan, and actually the training course was created by Nathan. Okay, so officially launching, I'm pretty sure Dave participates in the rest of the funnel upsells. So you will have my written review again right below. Check out the prices. The funnel is right here, so the front end is $17. And there will be a few upsells. So if something sounds like an upsell that you would like to purchase, I mean, watch as you purchase the front end, you will be presented with the upsells, right? So you will most likely have, well, I'm sure they will have videos explaining what the upsells are all about on the sales pages to each and every single of the upgrades, right? And my bonuses are right below. They will help you immensely with this method. I'll explain why, so stay tuned for that. Now let me just take you straight to the members area. It's right here. Let me just mention that it is going live tomorrow, the 24th of November. We're still in November. 10 a.m. New York time. So yeah, that's that. Okay guys, so here is the simple look of the members area. They deliver it actually as a Google Doc. So cool, but it's what's in it that's most important, not the looks of it, right? So you will have 3 videos from Nathan, right? Nathan, from Shane Nathan, Nathan, or is it Nathan? Shane. I'm just distracted today. I'm not very present-minded, but I know what I'm talking about. Don't worry, don't you worry. I'll explain all of that. So yeah, the videos are unlisted on YouTube. So the first one is around 5 minutes long. The second one is 5 minutes long. Below that, actually, the video number 2 is the main video where he goes through the method. It's all about creating, guys, viral reels. He will recommend the platform, and I'm talking again, I'm referring to the other guy, right, Shane. So Shane has been experimenting, running his YouTube channels, on which he uploads a lot of videos, but the viral shorts, AI-generated viral shorts, the oddly satisfying ones. He created his previous training course about the oddly satisfying very short videos, like 8 seconds long, and because people love watching them, they rewatch these videos over and over again, and that has a very positive effect on the viewers' retention, which as a result gives a signal to YouTube. People love these videos, people love this channel, so therefore YouTube algorithms push the video up to the top, boost it up, okay, and the channel, the videos go viral, get a lot of views, okay, and of course you want to monetize them. So, but that's not what this training is all about. This training is about slightly longer videos, like max, because he would encourage you to go for, of course, once you get to the point that your channel, either a YouTube channel or TikTok, gets monetized, of course you can use these videos, these reels, for Instagram and Facebook as well, of course, as we know. But yeah, he would say, like, go for minimum 30 seconds, especially on TikTok, because such videos will be monetized, okay? And as we know, on TikTok, the right kind of videos can really pick up and truly go viral. So in this training, again, this is let me just open up the main video. So this is 27 minutes long. So you see, he will talk you through his slides, and then he would recommend the platform here. That is a great platform. So this is the platform he would recommend, Faceless Reels. This is the platform he's been using. Let me show you the platform. I signed up actually, Pretty cool platform. So the videos, the kinds of videos, the types of videos we are talking about, you know, in case of this training course, will be the so-called scary stories, history, true crime. They're apparently super trendy, but you don't have to create such videos if you don't want to. If you want to use this platform to create videos in your niche, whether this is beauty, pets, relationships, whatever, you name it, okay? Make money online, internet marketing, you would go to custom. And then I like it how he shows he would give you a specific kind of prompt, okay, that you can use. He would go to ChatGPT and prompt it in such a way to rewrite that specific prompt to suit your niche. So I really like that. I thought it was really interesting. So yeah, this platform, guys, you will need to sign up if you want to use this platform. But Shane actually advises you how to get away with using the cheapest one, which is around under $20 a month, the cheapest one, which will allow you to create unlimited sort of number of videos pretty much. But instead of connecting, if you want to use it that way and get away with just using the cheapest option, the price plan, you would need to upload the videos manually. Because if you want this platform to do it for you, you would need to hook up your, say, TikTok. You can do that, okay? And just go for the pricier plan, okay? And then have your videos scheduled via this platform and uploaded manually. You just select the days, the times, and all of that. So from this platform to YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. So it is a pretty cool platform. I really like it. It's very easy to use. So it's like a few steps. You just click on continue, continue, continue. So guys, I'm showing you the platform you would be dealing here with. So he would go through this platform here in detail. His experience from using this platform, because as I said, he's not just been playing around with reels, all kinds of, reels, shorts, not only on YouTube, but also TikTok. So he started quite a few TikTok accounts, and the views he has been getting are pretty impressive. New channels at that, okay? But these videos specifically are super trendy. The scary stories, the history, there's something very like exciting about them, and I really like them, I must say. So if you click through my written review, click get the best price or buy now, you will be redirected to the sales page, and just watch the video from Dave. Okay, again, it is officially under Dave's launch, but the training is from the other guy. Okay, so I just want you to know that. Now let me see if they share any videos here. Possibly not. So this is Shane. But check out that platform, Faceless Reels, and you will see what kind of videos you can create. Very sort of like cartoonish style, animated, but I would say another level. I've never seen, I might have, maybe because I don't really pay attention to animated videos, but these videos are beautiful, very eye-catching. So guys, yeah, that's that. And below, so he will redirect you to this platform. You may want to sign up. If you do, then watch these videos, how to create a series, how to connect social media accounts, how to change your niche. So do the custom. So instead of going for the presets, so scary stories, history, true crime, you click on the custom one, and then you describe, like format, so storytelling, what if, 5 things you didn't know, random facts. So interesting videos, okay? And yeah, I can imagine easily that people do watch them, okay, and enjoy actually watching them. So that's the training. That's what this method is all about. So again, below you will have the upgrades. If you haven't upgraded right after purchasing the front end, you can always come back and purchase later. If something sounds like an upgrade that you would want to get, go ahead. You can access them from the members area. Okay. All right. So my bonuses, guys. Well, my bonuses, if you're sort of new to it, if you don't know how to set up professionally your Instagram account, how to monetize your Instagram account, what niches to go after, which ones will suit the faceless videos, this is the bonus. And that will help you with that, how to customize your YouTube channel, beginner friendly guide. These are all custom-made bonuses, and all of them are actually videos that were recorded, created by me, my personal videos, up to half an hour long each one. This one is a PDF, okay? This is the only PDF. The 10 evergreen YouTube niches, perfect for faceless AI videos. So yeah, perfect bonuses to truly complement this method, because Shane doesn't go into optimization, the setup of any channels, be it TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. No, he doesn't talk about that. He specifically focuses on, using this platform, and he shares his feedback, how he creates these videos, how he prompts ChatGPT to give him new fresh prompts for, say, make money online niche, okay? So, which will work really nicely with this setup, with this platform. Okay, guys, so that's that. That was my Traffic Supernova review. Again, my written review right below. Check it out if that's for you. You can get it from me. My bonuses will be delivered to your Warrior Plus account. So, ciao and see you very soon.